Introduction. Are you out in the market to buy a new keyboard? Do you use your computer only for personal purposes or just gaining information? Yes. Are you surprised about the topic regarding keyboards? The reason, you thought every keyboard is the same. Please note, there are many types of keyboards from brand manufacturers. However, many happen to be either a membrane keyboard or mechanical keyboard. To be honest, unless you are a game addict, there is no reason to get worried about this integral part of your computer. For the gamer, however, the keyboard is a valuable tool to take his/her gaming experience to the next level. For him/her, the keys should perform as per the typing speed, enabling to deliver a superior performance. In this article, let us look at the differences between a membrane keyboard and mechanical keyboard. Advantages and disadvantages of membrane keyboards. A. Cost. Are you on a tight budget to buy a keyboard at the earliest? Then, unless you are a gamer, opt for the membrane keyboards. You can get the best models for a decent price than mechanical keyboards. B. Preference. Gamers do not like these keyboards. If you work in a job that is a stickler for no mistakes, then do not purchase the membrane boards. There are times when in an emergency and fast typing, you may miss some alphabets. The reason, you will have to press the keys at an equal pace at all times. C. Reliability. True, you may find many types of membrane keyboards in the market, but many models get manufactured from cheap parts. So, the inside parts may get loosened in quick time. So, the lifespan of a membrane keyboard is very less. A survey describes the number as 5 to 20 million key presses. D. Replacement parts. If any key gets worn out or damaged, you will have no option but to discard the keyboard. The reason, the individual parts are not held together. Another disadvantage, you will not be able to take off the keycaps. E. Easy to carry. Their main composition is plastic and hence, less weight. You find more membrane keyboards in the market, because there are more manufacturers. F. Sound. You can work like a dream. The keys do not make any sound during the typing process. Advantages and disadvantages of mechanical keyboards. A. Cost. This keyboard, although with the same features as a membrane keyboard, will be more expensive. The reason, it contains metal parts. B. Preference. A hardcore gamer will prefer only the mechanical keyboard. The reason, he/she is more likely to work on 2 or more keys at the same time. C. Reliability. The lifespan can come to 10 to 15 years and a minimal lifetime of 50 million key presses. The mechanical keyboards can last a lifetime. D. Replacement parts. The best advantage about the mechanical keyboard is they consist of individual parts. If a specific key swaps out of the keyboard, then it is possible to put the same to the original position, if you have soldering skills. This keyboard can be repaired in quick time. The cleaning process is also easy, and you can remove the keycaps. E. Move around. They contain plastic and metal gears. So, they are a little heavier than membrane keyboards. F. Sound. They make more sound during the working process. However, many data entry operators or gamers prefer this keyboard. Conclusion. The above-mentioned factors are quite a few to be considered before purchasing a keyboard. However, do always remember, a keyboard is the connection to the computer. So, from our side, we hope you purchase the best type as per your need. Satyanarayana B. has done masters and he is interested in writing articles on recent trends, pet care, martial arts, travel, WordPress themes, IT trends, herbal remedies, daily health tips, spirituality. In addition, he is also interested in digital marketing, social media and content marketing.